What's up, folks, man? This is Monk, and we back with another Monk's Box, man. And like I said, you never know what you're gonna get. So I never know what the I'm gonna get, man. But I got one of these things, man. You know what I'm saying? We got lucky, man. Sometimes we get lucky in the pursuit of happiness, and got something special for y'all today, man. So today we're gonna be unboxing a pair of Yeezys, and not only a pair of Yeezys, but we've got the new Yeezy Boost 700 Sun Edition, man. You know what I'm saying? It is a bright, sunny day. It's cold as hell out here in the DMV area, but it is bright and sunny, man. So without further ado, let's get into it, man. And like I say always, man, like and subscribe so you can get more and see what the hell we're gonna be unboxing next. But let's take a look, man. I mean, if you're familiar with the Yeezy box, man, they are, you know, pretty simple, pretty unassuming, about as plain as you could get as far as a shoe box, man. You know, basic. I mean, it's just short of just writing Acme on the side, for real. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is the box, man. So let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? I've been hyped for this release, and let's see what this thing looks like. So this is a, you know, your slide out kind of style box. You know, it's not a flip top. I actually prefer the flip top. You know, these could be a little bit cumbersome at times. But let's take a look at this thing, man. This is immediately wow. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? The top might get lost in my hoodie color, man. I did that on purpose, you know what I'm saying? Trying to coordinate. But this is it, dude. Wow, this is crazy, man. So this is a play colorway flip, you know what I'm saying? And this thing immediately looks crazy, man. And I guess it's called the Sun because of the yellow, the orange accents. What's kind of interesting, you know, you start off with this darker, you know, orange tone, and as you get further up the shoe and away, you get, you know, lighter, you know, yellowish tones. This one looks like a mustard in the middle. You know, going into a lighter yellow. You know, you've got the gray laces that we've seen on the original Wave Runner, as well as you know, this color right here on the toe cap and on the side right here. I think these tones are on the original Wave Runner you know, color. And you know, we got this black and this thing looks crazy, bruh. So one aspect that's interesting to me is, you know, when you flip this over, boom, you know, you've got this you know, the black on the bottom, as well as you know, a little bit of the orange is showing through, but also you can see the Boost, you know, down in there, man. That's that Boost, the Adidas Boost that they've been doing really good with lately. I've got a few shoes that have the Boost technology in them, including some NMDs, and I got a pair of Night Runners, and it's generally been comfortable, man. It's durable and it's really light, you know what I'm saying? And these feel really good, dude. You know what I'm saying? They're not the lightest shoe, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? They'll definitely get the job done, man. You know, we've got gray laces, just like in the you know, the other versions of the Wave Runner, the original colorway. What's really interesting though with this shoe is that you've got a large amount of textures, you know what I'm saying, throughout the shoe. We're going anywhere from straight canvas to you know, different suedes, as well as leather, you know what I'm saying, once you get around here, you know, where the laces are. And it's kind of crazy how they jump around with that. We've also got 3M reflective, you know what I'm saying, on the side right here. I guess so if you're running at night, people can see you, as well as a little bit of peekaboo going on here with some of these accent areas. I'm not sure if that's going to show up on the camera, but yeah, these is crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if it's my favorite colorway, but this might be my second favorite colorway, man. And it's going to be interesting to see, you know, how people bust out and match up with these, man, because it's crazy, you know what I'm saying? This is a really wild, interesting shoe, man, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm sold, dude. Let's see what else other details we can find. You know, inside we've got you know, the Adidas and Yeezy logo inside right there, man, so that's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? And just overall, man, just, you know, solid craftsmanship. I mean, this shoe is definitely earned its place, man. The 700 period, you know what I'm saying? It's a top shoe, you know what I'm saying, in the sneaker game. And I think it holds up, man. I think this model brings something interesting to the table. And yeah, I'm gonna rock this summer. as Ghostface Killer would say, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think this video is pretty short, man. We've seen this shoe before, and like I said, it's just a simple colorway flip. But I think this is definitely made a mark for, you know, it stands out, man. This is some heat, you know what I'm saying, for 2021 right out the gate. The interesting thing about these though, it's crazy, like when you look at them head on like this, or if you have them on your feet and you're looking down, they really do appear pretty wide, but somehow once you start having them on your feet and you're looking at them at different angles, they kind of slim up, dude, to really complement whatever you're gonna wear, you know what I'm saying? You know, I've got the Wave Runner pair, and those, you know, same thing. I look down and I'm like, yo, my feet look wide as shit, but you know, other angles, they just somehow kind of shrink in profile for some reason, man. This is definitely a shoe with some interesting lines on it, interesting just design elements, and definitely stands out, you know what I'm saying? As soon as you see him, no matter what the color tone, even the more muted, darker brown color tones that they put out, those things stand out immediately. When I see them, I'm like, okay, that's a Yeezy, you know what I'm saying? I can spot those across the room, man. And this, you know, same thing with this, man. These definitely stand out and make a crazy impression, man. But yeah, I think that's it, bro. It's gonna be a short one today, man. You know, like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna bring more, man. I don't know what, you know, I'm gonna have next time. I definitely do have more kicks on the way, but you know, you never know what you're gonna get. All right, folks, man, I'm out. Peace.